Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making macarones. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So macarones are just a Greek pasta dish that is made with caramelized onions. So I know you guys probably aren't going to have Greek pasta at your house. So what I have here is cavatelli. This can be found at your local shop, right? Stop and Shop, and it's actually in the freezer section if you can't find it. So if you don't have this and you don't have the Greek macaroni, then you can just use penne. So if you don't have Kefalotyri, then you're just going to want to use a pack of Romano or grated cheese like that. Kefalotyri is just another Greek cheese. And then you're going to want a couple cups of thick yogurt, or of course sheep's milk is best, but again, we're not in Greece, so it's going to be a little bit tougher for you guys to find these ingredients. And then for some normal ingredients, we have salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and some onions. So now I'm going to take you guys over to the stove and we're going to get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is take care of your onions, because that's going to take the longest. It'll take about 10 to 20 minutes. So all you're going to want to do is add in your olive oil to a pot or a pan, and then add in all of your onions. You're just going to want to cook these until they're all nice and caramelized. This is also where you're going to want to add in your salt and pepper. Okay. And I typically wait to boil my water, but you can boil it now and just set it aside, whatever is easier for you. Okay, so our onions look nice and caramelized. I'm just going to turn off the heat, and then we're going to have our pasta boiling just till it's about al dente. Now don't mind me, I'm just making some chicken, but our water is boiling and now it's time to add our pasta. Now you can salt this beforehand if you want, and this only takes about 5 to 7 minutes, so it'll be ready in no time. Okay, so now our pasta is all done. It's almost al dente. But before we drain it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a plate or a platter, whatever it is you have, and you're going to want to take your, let me try and show you, take your yogurt or your sheep's milk, whatever you have, and put it all at the bottom. Then you're also going to want to take half of your cheese. Mix this up. And then the reason that we're not draining the pasta yet is because you're going to want to take a ladle of that pasta water and you're going to add that. Then you're just going to want to mix this on up. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now we can drain our pasta and we can add that as well. Okay, so now everybody's different. Some people don't even like to add the sheep's milk or yogurt. They just like the pasta with the onions and the cheese. Now that's completely up to you. But here is where you're going to top with your onions, and you can top with some olive oil too, but I like to just mix it in with my onions. Top it with the onions, and then add in the leftover cheese that we didn't add before. So you should have something that looks like this and smells delicious, but you're not going to know what it smells like until you guys make it at home for yourself. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part, to taste it. We're going to get some of the onions. Oh my gosh, so good. Recipes like this, I know they're not the healthiest, but let's be realistic here, not everybody eats perfect all the time, and this recipe just reminds me of home. It just reminds me of family, everybody getting together, making all of our favorite Greek dishes. Well, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.